This is my next project, where I will be clearing the overgrown vegetation behind the property and repairing the fence. Black locust trees, bamboo and white grapevines have made the job much more difficult. They have completely grown through the wire mesh fence, and in some sections the fence is even buried underground. The whole process will take several days, and the heat wave with temperatures about 40 Celsius degree certainly won't make things any easier. The first step is removing the trees that are in the way. Some of them have actually become intertwined with the fence itself, which will be a challenge on its own. Fortunately, the mini excavator is here to help once again. The machine currently has almost 50 operating hours on it and continues to perform quite well. So it's quite hot today. I have to stop several times just to a little bit to get some comfort. The easiest approach seemed to be cutting the wire mesh from the fence posts and then pulling it out together with the overgrown brush using the excavator. Of course, it wasn't quite that simple. There is barely 110 centimeters of space between the house and the fence, while the machine itself is 93 centimeters wide. Combined with the uneven ground, every move required careful consideration. During this work, the swing boom of the machine was essential. So it's Tuesday. In the last couple of days I was not able to do any recording, so I not made any videos, but the process was ongoing. As you can see, the place has blown up. But the molding for the concrete is already done, and it is time to do some concrete job. Once the area was cleared, it became obvious that the fence posts didn't need to be replaced because they were still in a good condition. Only one post had to be changed after I accidentally broke it with the excavator. To prepare the concrete base, I tied the form boards together with wire and placed 5x5 reinforcement mesh between them to strengthen the concrete. Naturally, I also took advantage of the excavator during the concrete mixing process. I finished the day by cleaning up the tools and equipment. This step is mandatory if you are working with concrete. After the concrete cured, I started attaching guide wires to the fence post in 3 rows. The new wire mesh fence will be secured to these wires. So the second wire is in place, but we still need to tension it. And now I will show you how to do it. We will use this kind of equipment, just like on the bottom one. First, we place a wire here. Just like that. Together with this one. Yeah, just like that. And now we tension the cable as much as possible. by hand, and we cut it somewhere here. Yep. And last but not least, we have to take care that the screws are symmetrical. And we put the cable here inside. And try to put as much tension as possible by hand, and just simply turn the wire around itself several times. Even with a tool, if it's necessary. Yep. And now you can set the tension just by turning this. And as you can see, the wire now it's kind of straight. Okay, I have to do it a third time at the top, the same, and then I just clean up this mess and the new fence can be applied. Yeah. It is time to put this fence on. I will start with this end, and I'm gonna open this now. This isn't a particularly difficult task, but it involves a lot of wire tying, which takes a significant amount of time. A lot of wire tying. And even more wire tying. And more. But finally, after securing everything at the top, bottom and middle, the fence is finally complete. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to see the next stages of this project, please subscribe, leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.